How to use Proton Drive Windows App to sync files. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Proton Drive's Windows App to sync files. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, search for Proton Drive. Search for Proton Drive and head over to its website. Now, you'll need to log in into your account from here. So tap on the sign in option and tap on this Get Proton Drive as well to simply download the drive. First, you can sign in, create an account first if you don't have an account. Then after you do that, you can then download Proton Drive. Automatically gets download when you create an account as well. So after you've downloaded the exe file, simply open that up. And after you open that up, your file installer will begin. So let's wait, and there you can see it's starting to install. Let's tap on next, tap on install, and now it should begin installing. Now this can take some time, so just be patient with it. And also, if you're new to our channel, while this happens, you can head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, after the Proton Drive is installed, you can simply search for it. And there you can see Proton Drive app. Let's open this up, and you'll need to log in into your account again. So let's log in into our account. After the sign in occurs, now you can select which files you want to sync with Proton Drive. Now this is what we wanted. So to sync any files or any folders with Proton Drive, you'll simply have to select folders here. So if you want to select videos, if you want to sync videos, you can select that here. If you want to sync with pictures, or if you want to sync with everything, you can simply select all of these. And if you want to add more folders, you can simply tap on add more folders. I'll just do these documents here, then tap on continue. Doing that, I'll tap on the setup option here, finish setup, and now you can get these options. You'll see the different packages available. I'll just skip that for now. And there you can see it getting synced. Now you can pause the sync from here. As you can see, it's setting up my drive, and it's basically that simple. And it has been synced. And that's basically how you do this, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.